Let's start with footings concrete takeoff. You'll see columns for main building, garage, detached garage, retaining walls, monolithic pad, and extra footings. Enter your cost per cubic meter, total footing length in feet, width and thickness in inches, and your concrete strength in MPa. If you're in the United States, click the Canada metric button to switch to USA Imperial. All units convert automatically. Don't forget to add a waste factor. Below that is footings rebar takeoff. Enter your cost per foot, rebar overlap, quantity of runs, stub lengths, stub centers, and rebar size in millimeters. ProBuilder calculates the total rebar needed automatically. Next is bearing pads. These are the concrete pads that support your steel columns. You can enter up to 6 different sizes. For each pad, enter the height, length, width, quantity, and concrete strength. The rebar section lets you specify center spacing for both length and width, plus the number of layers. Now for walls concrete takeoff. Enter your wall length, height, thickness, panel width, and tie slots per panel. ProBuilder supports main building, garage, detached garage, and retaining walls, all calculated separately. Walls rebar takeoff works the same way. Enter your vertical and horizontal center spacing, rebar size, and overlap. The app calculates exactly how much rebar you need. You'll also notice 3 special calculators here. Variable wall heights for foundations with different wall heights, winter supplies for curing blankets, heaters, and propane, and bag mix calculator for small pours. For curved footings and curved walls, we use the chord length and radius to calculate material for curved foundations. Enter your dimensions and ProBuilder handles the math for you. Once you've entered your data, you can view your results in 3 places. The cost sheet shows everything together. The rebar page gives you a complete rebar summary, and the concrete page shows just your concrete totals. On the cost sheet, you'll find all your materials organized by category: concrete and rebar totals, stone and fill, waterproofing and wall supplies, hardware, pumpers, plus your equipment rental and mileage costs. If you use the worker hours page to enter your crew's hourly rates and deductions, those labor costs automatically appear on the cost sheet too. Use the print button to create a PDF or save to download it. The export to spreadsheet button lets you open your materials list in Excel or Google Sheets, so you can edit quantities, remove items you don't need, and create your own custom order list.